Well, hello Libra. I hope you are all doing so very well. Welcome back to another of your weekly readings. Let's get right into it. This reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Jupiter signs. So, all right, let's get your cards out here. So we have your chakra affirmation for this week. Let's get your life change oracle. What is the life change oracle for Libra this week? Spirit, what message? Okay, there we go. All right, and who is Libra's guardian for this week? Who is Libra's guardian for this week? All right, let's see. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And what is Libra's Lemurian energy for this week? Okay. All right. You know what? We're going to put those back in and see what else comes out. Okay. We're going to go ahead and take this one. I think that one was the one that wanted to jump out. So, okay. So your chakra affirmation for this week, Libra, nice, is from the crown chakra. I go beyond my limiting beliefs and accept myself totally. I go beyond my limiting beliefs and accept myself totally. So this is about you seeing yourself as the whole, seeing yourself as connected to source, seeing yourself as your own beautiful expression of source energy. So knowing that you are limitless, knowing that whatever limits whatever limits you feel you have are the limits that you have put on yourself. So I feel that in this third week of November, you are going beyond that. You are allowing yourself to expand and to see yourself as bigger than you have previously seen yourself. So that's beautiful. All right, your life change oracle is support. Support. So what I'm feeling with this is that you are supported in, well, first off, I feel you're supported by spirit, so you're supported by your guides and everything, but I also feel you are supported by your higher self, and you are finding more support for yourself and also outside of yourself. So like how this is, says I go beyond my limiting beliefs and accept myself totally. I feel that is the main support. Excuse me. I feel that is the main support that you needed in order to accomplish your dreams, is being your own support system. There is in the 42 principles of Mayat, one of the principles is I keep my own counsel. And this is kind of what I'm feeling with this, is being your own number one fan. But I do also feel that there is outside support, and I feel that this could be support that you didn't realize that you had that is showing up for you. So let's read the book, because the book always has something totally different. I just go by my intuition, like what I'm feeling. But so it says, you received this card because you've been accustomed to doing everything yourself, and now it's time to request and receive help. This is a valuable life lesson that will allow you to grow in every area, so think of it as an investment. Wow. And it says, additional meaning, money coming to you, joining a support group, child support or alimony, consultation with a healthcare professional, asking for the support you need, allowing yourself to be supported. Wow. So this is, however it applies to you, whatever resonates best with you is what is coming to you. But I like how it says money coming to you, because that's always nice. But yeah, it could be any of those things. Like, and I was kind of feeling something like you would be supported by, however it applies. So, yeah, okay. All right, Libra, your guardian for this week is the Mermaid of Lemuria with joy. Ah, joy. The mermaid. I love it. I'm so excited to read this Mermaid of Lemuria. So joy, like joy and happiness is that's the best energy that we can embody. And so, all right, so it says the Mermaid of Lemuria, and it says, drop the worry habit, embrace lightheartedness. It says, Lemuria was a light-centered civilization where the peaceful inhabitants maintained an exceptionally pure connection to the divine. Wow. Lemurian knowledge was embedded within crystals, stones, plants, and the ocean. Mer people were an extension of the water element, vibrating to a note of pure joy. The mermaids carried the fluidity of the divine feminine and were expert at balancing energy through play, relaxation, dance, creative movement, and sound healing. They freely expressed their creative love of life. So yeah, you're being guided to step into a worry-free lifestyle, and so I feel that this is kind of where this whole support comes in as well, and you know, reestablishing your own connection to the divine, to source energy. So I love it because that's what I was feeling. That's what I was bringing up. All right. So you're Lemurian, and I love. So you got the Mermaid of Lemuria, and then this is like the Lemurian energy. So, oh, it says the sound of the universe. Wow, look at this card. It's like, ooh, wow, wow, I like it. I'm so very excited to read this. Okay, the sound of the universe is number 51. Number 51 adds up to a 6, and 6s are about balance. So it says, life-changing experiences, glimpsing the great mystery, significant timing, pivotal moments, the Sri Yantra, the tuning fork of universal consciousness, music transcending mundane reality. Wow. So, yeah, I feel that there is something that is shifting because it says life-changing experiences and significant timing. So, I feel like with you going beyond your limiting beliefs and finding the support that you need, that there is something that is meant to shift for you, that you are finding joy and happiness in. So, however it applies to you, Libra, you will know. Follow your intuition because your intuition is your best guide. So, wow. All right, this has been another of your readings. I hope you found something that resonates with you, and if you did, please remember to hit that thumbs up. And if you enjoy my messages, then consider subscribing to the channel. I would appreciate it. Otherwise, Libra, I love you and appreciate you so very much, and I will see you in your next one.